What are funnels and how do we use funnels to make more money in our online business each and every day? I know when I first started, I kept hearing people say, use a funnel, but I could never quite understand what a funnel is and how to use it in order to make money. So today I'm going to talk about what actually is a funnel, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set up a funnel within StanStore so that you can make more money on your online business. All I ask from you for this information is to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you choose to sign up for StanStore, to use my link in the description box below, because it really helps me out and be able to provide more information for free without having to charge for courses. So without further ado, let's get talking about it. What exactly is a funnel? I was so confused on what a funnel is, and really all it is a series of options to get people to purchase from you or to upsell them. So what this might look like. You have a free guide, a checklist, some sort of resource that you're going to provide to an end user in exchange for an email address that you can email market them later. So when they opt in, they get funneled to a second page that shows them an offer you might have. Maybe it's a low ticket item related to the niche that they just signed up for, like a higher end guide or a mini course or something of that nature. So basically you're eliciting an impulse buy even though they were originally just going to opt in for something for free. So it's a way to upsell yourself in an easy to flow sequence. And why we want to do this is because when people are directed to those big link in piles where they see 5 different options, their brain gets decision fatigue and they tend not to buy anything. Where if you can provide the information in bite-sized chunks and just have it be like one page landing page for each product offer, the likelihood that they're going to buy increases significantly because there's not that decision fatigue. They're presented with one offer. So let me show you what that might look like. So this is what a page would look like if you're already signed up with StanStore. If you're not already signed up with StanStore, I have a whole video that shows you how you can set up StanStore and how to use that entire platform to not only sell your products, but email market the products and create all of your products. It's such a great platform to use because you can do everything in one all-inclusive platform. Go check out that video. I'll leave it linked below. I will also leave the link to the 14-day free trial for StanStore for you to try it out for yourself and see if it's a good fit for you. But without further ado, this is what your page is going to look like. You're going to scroll down to here to where you see funnels, and then you're going to create new funnel. So now you have all these options that you can choose from to be your first page or your starting point for your customer. You can collect an email, you can do a coaching call, you can have a course, a webinar, a digital product, a custom product, or recurring membership. What I typically want to start with is an email opt-in. So I want to collect someone's email because that is easy for them to do. They are getting something for free, so they're more likely to finish that action. So we're going to go to collect email / applications, and we are going to set up the first page of our funnel. So let's say our freebie is a meditation guide of 5 steps to stress-free living, and it's all about meditation and living a stress-free lifestyle. I'm going to choose an image here. This is going to be what the page looks like when you direct them to this page. So we want a nice image that represents the topic that we're talking about. You can create a whole separate image in Canva, or StanStore has stock images ready for you to use as well. So you can do like meditation and search for different images that fit your product description. So I like this one. It has no face on it. It shows a person meditating in a peaceful sunset. I really like that image. I think it's going to appeal to my target audience in the stress-free meditation niche. So you can see it shows a preview of what your page is going to look like, which I love because as you're editing it, you see what it looks like on the mobile in real time, which I absolutely love. You can create a header here, 5 steps to stress-free living. And then you can create your sales page for your free opt-in. Now for your freebie, I would keep that information relatively short and not too lengthy. Keep it to the point on what's going to be expected inside the guide. If it gets too lengthy, people aren't really going to read it and they might even click off because they think it's too much information to process at once. What I like to do is I like to go over to ChatGPT and say something along the lines of this. I have a free opt-in resource that is 5 steps to stress-free living. I am creating the opt-in page now. Please write me a few sentences selling this free guide while mentioning my target audience's pain points and the benefits of the guide. And then ChatGPT will write a little blurb for you. I highly encourage you to use ChatGPT as a tool, but not to use it as a copy and paste mechanism, because you want it to sound like you and you want it to sound authentic. For the sake of this video, I'm going to just copy and paste so that you can see what it looks like. So there you go, 5 steps to stress-free living, transform your life, blah, blah, blah. People enter in their name and email down here, and then they would download your guide. You're going to want to upload what they're going to receive from you right here. This is going to get sent to them automatically when someone opts in and enters in their name and email address into your StanStore funnel. You can go over to options here too, and you can create different call to actions. So for example, this call to action here, this would be right here, get my free guide. If you wanted to change that to something else, if you wanted your download button to say something else, you can change the confirmation email if you want it to be lengthier or more personal. You can do that here and it'll have your product here. Again, this gets sent automatically when someone opts into the page. So there's lots of different things you can do. You can add a video or customer review into this page if you so choose to. And there's also a MailChimp integration if you have an email marketing platform with MailChimp. So anyways, if we go back to the checkout page, we're gonna hit publish. And that's the first page of our funnel. So it's really that simple. From there, you're gonna hit add page. Now this is going to be the second page of your funnel. So let's say you wanna upsell them to a coaching call. You can easily just hit coaching call and you're gonna do the same thing. So it says, wait, your order's not complete. Here's a one-time discount. So it's alerting the person, wait, you opted into the freebie, but there's something else I wanna tell you. I have coaching available. Your order's not done yet, okay? I got more to offer to you. I have a whole coaching call. You can contact me directly and we can chat and we can make your life easier. So you can change whatever this says up here. I like it the way it is. Wait, your order's not complete yet. Here's a one-time discount, kind of eye-catching, gets people to be like, wait, what's going on? What am I getting a discount on? And then again, you would select an image. So they have auto-selected a calendar because you're selecting a coaching call. You can set it again to another meditation. You can set it to a picture of yourself. Whatever you want that image to be, that's going to be here. Book a one-on-one call with me. You can change this to say whatever you want. If it's a strategy call because you're in business, book your strategy call now. If it's a guided meditation, book your guided meditation now. So while book a one-on-one call with me sounds okay, I would gear it towards whatever niche you're in or whatever your target market is. Again, you're going to create a sales page on what you are going to offer within this call. So whether it's a guided meditation, a strategy call, whatever the one-on-one is for, you're going to want to include exactly what's in it, and not only what's in it, but the benefits, because people don't pay for information, they pay for transformation. And that's going to be very important for you to get into your mind when you're creating these sales pages. You want people to know the benefits and how they are going to be different coming out of your coaching call, not just it's a 60-minute strategy call. You will get notes afterwards. I will follow up with you twice a week for the next 3 weeks after that call. Yes, that information is great and it's great for people to know what they're paying for, but you're also going to want to say, after this call, you will have received a guided meditation that will last an entire week. Your stress will melt away. Your pains will be non-existent. Like, you want to basically sell what the transformation is in this call, or whatever the next step of your funnel is, whether it's a digital product, an e-course, a coaching call, etc. Again, you would have the bottom title. That's this here, work with me, book a call. You set your price, maybe it's $199 for 60 minutes. They have your name and information, and then they also have the calendar they can book right from there. And you would hit publish again. So now you have a funnel that when you send them to a page, it's going to take them to this home page right here. 5 steps to stress-free living, and they're going to opt into your guide. And once they've opted into your guide, not only are they going to get an automated email that sends them that resource that you've provided for them, it's also going to take them to this next page where you're upselling them and offering your product or service right from the get-go with single page landing pages or single page sales pages. You're sending them through a funnel. Now, if you really wanted to, you could add a 3rd page or a 4th page and keep offering things, because for example, on that 2nd page, there's going to be a no thanks button, and they can hit that no thanks button and it will send them right to the 3rd option as well. So maybe the $199 coaching call isn't for you, but maybe the $27 a month membership is, or maybe the $27 ebook and guided poses is. So if you have different products or different price price points. You can put them in your funnel strategically and funnel them through different products that are geared towards different people, or different people that are in different phases of their journey, maybe are in different financial situations, etc. Now, how do we promote this funnel link? If we go back to funnels, we're gonna go right to our last funnel here. We're gonna hit copy, and then our URL is copied. We can put that as our link in bio. We can send that to people through direct message, and it's gonna take them right to that home page, right? So this is what it's gonna look like. They're gonna get sent right to this page, 5 Steps to Stress-Free Living. They're gonna download their guide, and as soon as they download it, they're gonna get sent to that second web page promoting your coaching call. This is what it looks like on a desktop. We saw what it looked like in a mobile with the preview on the side. And that is how you use funnels to make more money. And why does it make more money? Because people aren't getting that decision fatigue when they're presented with a big list of options. You're getting people in with a free resource or a free guide. Not only can you email market them through that free guide, which I talk about in my other Stan Store video on how to make money with Stan Store, but you also make money with those impulse purchases through the funnels, which are going to be so important as a way to upsell your community or make more money with your community. I really hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I love talking about all things motherhood and money. Have a great day.